Hey, it's Robert with White House Custom Color, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to order a metal print. It's all going to begin and end at the website, Whcc.com. Hover over wall art and go down to your metal prints. Click into that. Once you're there, head straight over to Order Now and click it. And once the interface loads, we can go grab our images and drop them into the film strip right down here. While they upload, let's take a look at our options on the right-hand side. We want to do, let's go for a 16 by 24 on this beautiful print. And once we do that, you'll see the preview change as well. And we are going to do the white base high gloss, which is also the most popular version of the metal print. Do we want the print only? No, we're going to do it on a 3/4 inch float mount, and that's all I need. Over here, it's going to just drop in the first image from my folder. But if I want a vertical image, no problem, just pull it in. It will replace it, and it will also change the orientation. But suppose I want to do this vertical image with a horizontal orientation, I can just rotate product. Off it goes, and then in that case, I can move this to wherever I want as well. Now that brings me to my next point. If the ratio of the file is different than the product itself, when I click on it, I will see the extra image here. And this is a panoramic image so that it is different from my 16 by 24 ratio, which means I can move this to wherever I want. I can even zoom in if I want. Get this exactly how I like it there. I think that's perfect. Once I'm ready, I just click Add to Cart. The system will create a proof for me, which I can share with my client, an unbranded proof. I can also delete this, duplicate it, edit it, or save it for later. Once I see that the details are correct, I just proceed to checkout. In the checkout screen, the system will default to my studio address. But if I need to drop ship directly to my client, that's no problem. I just click the button and add the address there. Moving down, I see the shipping options. The system will default to the free shipping available for the product ordered. This metal print, the free shipping is ground. Of course, I can upgrade that shipping as well as I can for my client to drop ship. Down at the bottom, order reference is for studio notes for me, myself, and my staff. If I need to leave a note for the good people at White House Custom Color, I must use special instructions. Everything looks good. I just click place order and the system does the rest. And here we are with our final product, our beautiful 16 by 24 white base high gloss metal print. That's how easy it is to order a metal print. You can go get your own. Go ahead, do it.